Hey guys, it's Helena. So today I wanted to show you what I eat in a day as a vegan at home, and this was filmed back in New Jersey at home, so the setting's a little bit different. And in case you're new here, I talk about all things sustainability related, and this one's going to be a bit more food focused, so I hope you enjoy. One of my favorite things is getting up on a sunny weekend day and making some fresh squeezed orange juice. It truly does not compare to the taste of store-bought OJ. So I squeezed 2 oranges here so that my parents could enjoy some as well. And this is a very old school hand juicer. But it tastes so good and it's so refreshing. Yay! And even though my dad's making a face right here, he actually really liked it, and it was definitely a nice, refreshing morning drink. An ideal breakfast for me would be starting off with some fruit, and here we have some papaya and blueberries, and it's just a great way to get some of your vitamin C in and some antioxidants to start off your day. I also chug a lot of water in the morning usually, and because fruit doesn't fill me up, I'm heating up a vegan waffle that I made the week before. Usually I'll just freeze them and toast them up. And this is a little sneak peek into our garden that my mom tends to, and we have some peppers and eggplant, and it's really awesome to be able to grow some of your own produce and to really have that farm to table experience. And as you may know, going vegan and eating plant-based is a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. Not only is it good for the planet, it's also great for your health. You'll see what we do with these cucumbers in a bit. So my mom was making us lunch, and she's making homemade scallion pancakes, and she just got this dough machine, so she's been going a little ham with that. She made some dough and she's just rolling it out, and from our garden she took some scallions, and it's just really awesome to be able to have some of your own seasonings and garnishes. And boom, there you have it, the finished scallion pancake. These taste really good paired with some soy sauce paste or just some soy sauce. And on to dinner, I'm cooking up some noodles, and I'm gonna add some sesame oil. Sesame oil and soy sauce I feel like are just such staples for us, and tastes really good with noodles. And I put some mixed greens in there. You don't even have to cook them. They kind of just soften once you put the hot noodles on top of it. As a refreshing side dish, which tastes so good in the summer, is to chop up some cucumbers with some garlic, add again some soy sauce, and it just makes such a good, refreshing side dish. I'm adding in some cucumbers from our garden. So I topped off the noodle dish with some spicy tofu, and we actually just picked this up from H Mart, and it's cold tofu, but it has some of these spices marinated in it and some like chili flakes, and it just tastes really good having some of the spicy mixed with the cold cucumbers and then the hot noodles. It's a great mix for summer. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe down below, and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. I hope you have an amazing day, and see you next time. Bye!